house are unite. Different languages, we shine so bright. Oh Nigeria, land of pride. Our culture's rich, it's in our stride. From Igbo to Yoruba, Hausa too. Wear your colors, it's what we do. In Ghana we wear kente cloth so fine. Colors and patterns, they truly shine. From Accra to Kumasi, we're proud to show our history and culture in the way we glow. Ghana, we celebrate our heritage, it's never late. From kente to drums, we sing with pride. Our culture is with us, always by our side. In Malawi, we dance with grace by fabrics. Fill the space with traditions, pass through the years. We celebrate and show no fears. Malawi, land of peace. Our culture and love will never cease. From Lake Malawi to the highlands tall, we wear our pride, one and all. Diverse, you see, from coast to coast, we live so free. Jeans, t-shirts, and suits we wear, our melting pot, all cultures we share. USA, USA, land of dreams. We work together, we're a team. From New York to California shore, we unite and we explore. In China we wear robes of red, bright gold patterns and silk are spread. Dragons dance and lanterns glow, celebrating the culture we proudly show. China, rich and grand. From the mountains to the sand, our culture's ancient, proud and bright. We wear our heritage with delight. Us with pride, pillars of the rainbow they never hide. Maasai, Kikuyu, Luo and more. Our cultures are rich, from the mountains to the shore. Kenya, land so wide, with animals, mountains and oceans tied. We wear our heritage and sing loud. Kenya's culture makes us proud. In Japan we wear kimono so grand, silk with patterns from the land. The cherry blossoms bloom so bright, our culture shines in the soft moonlight. Japan, proud and true, our culture's ancient, always new. From tea ceremonies to Mount Fuji's peak, our heritage is what we seek. In Brazil we dance to the beat, carnival costumes so colorful and neat. From Rio to the Amazon's trees, our culture's vibrant, as wild as the seas. Brazil, land of fun. From samba to soccer, we're number one. Our culture's hot, it's full of heat. We dance and sing to every beat. In Mexico, we wear sombreros tall, bright colors, we stand proud, standing tall. From Rio to the Amazon's trees, our culture's vibrant, as wild as the seas. Brazil, land of fun. From samba to soccer, we're number one. Our culture's hot, it's full of heat. We dance and sing to every beat.